Hi, my name's Dan, and this video is one in a series of videos, quite a short series that I'm doing about using DigitalWorks, which is software which will allow you to simulate digital electronics. And it's a lot easier to explore these things in a simulation than actually getting the components themselves and wiring them together and having to have lots of them. And it's free, so that is also good. I will put a link to where you can get it in the description down below. And in this video, I'm going to have a quick look at this thing here, which is the parts center. Which is, so in the previous video, I showed the use of the standard gates that we've got across the top here. There's some stuff that I ignored. But the parts center allows a whole load more stuff to be used in DigitalWorks, obviously. So basically, this is a collection of extra stuff or compound stuff, sometimes called macros. And in fact, in the next video after this, I'll show you how to create your own macros. If I click on this, it opens somewhere. Now, where it opens depends on where you last opened it. When you first open it, you'll probably find yourself somewhere random or bizarre because DigitalWorks doesn't exactly install, it just extracts, and so it just goes to a standard place, and you have to navigate to where you want. And I'm just going to go up. That is in the right place, but what you want is to find the DigitalWorks folder wherever you've unzipped it to, and to click on that, and then to click on Parts Center, fairly obviously. So you click on that, you get a whole lot of options, and these are all items that you can drag into your software for use. So I've got let's find somewhere. Let's go in the macros here. And we've got a 3 to 8 decoder. Yeah, we'll drag this in. I'm not wanting to explain what these things do. I'm just wanting to show you that these things are available, and depending on your level of understanding of digital electronics, you will understand some or maybe even all of these things that are available. So all I've done is I've dragged that in. That can be wired up in the normal way. So just chucking an LED there, and I can demonstrate that by clicking and attaching across that. I'm going to go back to selection mode. I'm going to find something else. So fairly standard tools here to navigate. There's up one level, part center routes. I think that sets wherever you are currently to be the place where it will open up, but I'm not entirely sure. And then change drive. I've got 2 drives on my computer. So I'm just going to go up one level, and I'm going to go to, I have no idea what Tannenbaum is. We've got a 16-bit ALU. So there we go, quite a complicated thing. So this, instead of connecting with these things that look like wires, these are called pins here. And again, you can connect to these little square boxes that are called pins. And that's another way of connecting with parts and macros. There may be other things that we can have. So yeah, I was going to pull in a relay out. There we go. So that actually has some blown up electronics that you can see, and it'll give you an indication of what's going on in there. If you want to see what's going on inside any of these components that you've got, if you double click on them, it will open up the circuit that you've got. This particular one was the decoder, and we can see that here. And if you want to go back up a level, this button here is the one you want, close macro. And you need to be careful when you're saving circuits, because if you go down inside and then try and save that file, save as, it will give you a warning, which is that you're not at the root level, and it will save it strangely if you're not careful. So I'm going to go back up. So that's the part center. There's a whole lot of stuff that you might understand. There's probably a whole lot of stuff that you don't understand. There's a whole lot of stuff I don't understand. There are data sheets involved in some of these things, so you can see if I can find one with the datasheet. Integrated circuit, and that says datasheet available. Question is, how do we open the datasheet? Yes, there we go. Right click, view datasheets, and that should be bringing that up. Unable to open datasheet. That was a really good demonstration, wasn't it? Never mind. Let's move on. So let's delete that. So that's the Part Center. The next video I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to create your own what's called macros, which is to create little pieces of circuit or up to big pieces of circuit, which you can then reuse in your circuits. But that's it from me for now.